Yesterday, I showed you a quick teaser, golden crispy herby balls. But could you guess what was inside? Please let me know in the comments if you guessed the ingredients right. Today I'm showing you exactly how I made them and what makes them surprisingly soft and creamy inside. I started with 2 potatoes, boiled them. They should be soft but not overcooked. Before peeling the boiled potatoes, let them cool down. While the potatoes are cooling down, I chopped a bunch of fresh dill. It brings so much freshness to the recipe. Peel the potatoes and grate them. Grating potatoes give the fluffy texture to your balls. Now in a bowl, we add the grated potato, chopped dills, and something creamy. I'm keeping that secret. Please watch till the end. You might not guess what it is. I'll tell you at the end. Just hang on there. Season it with a pinch of salt, some chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, and a bit of cumin-coriander powder and corn flour for binding. Mix everything together. Nothing beats mixing by hand. The warmth, the care, the feel. Do you also love mixing by hand when cooking at home? There is something special about it, isn't it? And honestly, that's how I grew up. And it's the best way to get the texture just right when you feel with your hand. Now shape them into little balls. You can make any shape that you like. With this mixture, I was able to make 18 balls. These potato balls are great for snacking, but you can even pack them in lunch boxes. Kids love them and they are so soft on the inside with no frying. These balls are all ready to go to the air fryer. Add them to the preheated air fryer and cook it at 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes, flipping halfway. While those get golden and crisp, I'm making a quick dip, something tangy, herby, and cool. And the dip, just thick yogurt, fresh dill, black salt. I'm using black salt since it's low in sodium and best for healthy life. Chili powder and black pepper. Believe me, that combo is so comforting and it pulls everything together. After 5 minutes, give the balls a gentle flip. They are so soft, so be careful while flipping. Meanwhile, I sliced a fresh cucumbers for serving. They will add extra crunch and keep it refreshing. They look golden and crispy, but when you bite in, they are soft, rich and full of flavor. I plated them over cucumber slices and added a scoop of secret dip in the middle. So here is a big reveal. The secret ingredient inside the balls, it's cream cheese. It melts slightly while cooking and keeps everything soft and flavorful. If you enjoyed this, don't miss my next snack surprise. I've got something even crispier and bolder coming soon. See you soon!